can't float. You can float, Michelangelo. You can float.
Good news that he doesn't float because, as you know, I'm back, peeps. As you know, if a turtle doesn't float, if a turtle floats, that means that we are in bad situation. Okay, so here. We're gonna get this puppy going.
Big, rich. Even big.
Okay, so it's
So this one.
a filter.
Give me mine now.
Whoa, it's so cool! Wow!
They don't say wow.
They're gonna say wow! Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Yeah. Free. Are you gonna squish my turtle, Mom?
So I believe
No, there's turtles.
this is what goes inside.
Grab a fish.
Wait, you're waiting everything here, boys.
Okay.
Come down. Back up. So,
Propeller.
yes! Yes! And it's gonna go right in here.
Yeah. My God.